One arrested, two suspended. The crackdown after NDTV's investigation. An expose where we caught doctors on camera taking bribes and demanding expensive gifts, getting illegal incentives for prescribing drugs to even those who didn't need them. The impact was immediate as Health Minister Harshvardhan took notice, demanding the Medical Council of India take strict action. This after the matter was raised in Parliament.
The Medical Council of India, in its Ethics Committee meeting today, took up the matter suo moto and summoned all three doctors exposed in our investigation. With incriminating evidence against them, their licenses have now been suspended pending inquiry. But what's more shocking is that one of them, J.N. Saxena, who took 5,000 rupees cash as a bribe from us during our investigation, did not even have proper, in fact valid medical records. He in fact turned out to be a quack.
We suddenly discovered while we were interviewing him that he is not a medical practitioner registered with the Medical Council of India. In fact, he has no MBBS degree. These are all
and all these are fake.
False, frivolous things are there.
And for over a decade, Saxena had a flourishing practice in central Delhi's Patel Nagar. Meanwhile, the licenses of Dr. Lalwani and Dr. Ravindra Kumar have been suspended and their fate is now in the hands of the Delhi Medical Council.
We have suspended their registration, which is under section 8.5 of the Indian Medical Council Ethics and Etiquette Regulation. And now what we will do, since they are registered with the Delhi Medical Council, first they have to hear the case. So we are sending to them and we are giving them the instruction that within 120 days you take any decision against them and send the copy to us.
And even if found guilty, at best the MCI says their licenses will be cancelled. But for the police to act, those aggrieved will have to register an FIR. With Sonal Mehrotra in New Delhi, Anusya Mathur for NDTV.